My PhD is about the so-called offshore energy hubs, supplying electrical power to offshore oil and gas facilities. So as an overview, I would say that the idea is to replace the gas turbines, which emit a significant amount of harmful emissions, by renewable energy sources. My research currently follows two main paths. One of them I do in partnership with Equinor. We are exploring this high-level idea of replacing the gas turbines by renewable energy sources. But this is not really that simple. There are many electrical challenges in this and some other types of challenges as well. And then our idea is to do an in-depth assessment of such systems, try the best we can to find out what is the feasibility of these systems. And in another line of research, I'm working closely with Siemens Gamesa. This is also related to the other path, but putting a lot of focus on the wind turbine generators themselves. When the system experiences a certain fault, understanding the behavior of the system is not really the same of understanding a system with a synchronous generator. That's why we are doing some deep studies to get a proper understanding of such systems when there is a certain failure. They really differ from the standards, from the understanding that the industry currently has. There is a really crucial need for better modeling, for better analysis, and we are doing a significant progress on this.